हाय दोस्तों, डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम की बुक इंडिया 2020 पे आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे हम इंडिया को एक डेवलप्ड कंट्री बना सकते हैं। लाखों करोड़ों देशवासियों के मन में ये सवाल आता होगा कि क्या इंडिया कभी एक डेवलप्ड कंट्री बन सकता है? हाँ, क्यों नहीं। हमारा छोटी सी कोशिश इंडिया को कहां से कहां पहुंचा सकती है। भारत को विकसित देश बनाने से हमें कोई नहीं रोक सकता। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। कैन इंडिया बिकम ए डेवलप्ड कंट्री? According to economic system, there are many parameters by which economic growth and development of the country can be measured. That is, gross domestic product, GDP, per capita income, international trade, rate of growth of GDP. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, these are just the economic indicators. It doesn't show the real status of country. According to him, the country can be developed if India is above poverty line, if there is a strong national security, if we have a solid infrastructure facilities, we can compete the other countries. Indian industries should make an quality of products so that we can export it to other countries. For all these parameters, technological development is very important. For technological development, we need to focus on our core strength, that is, population and natural resources. We should also focus on health, education and skill development, by which our technological development can be increased and hence India can become a developed country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says that he has identified 5 areas where India has core competency for integrated action. These 5 areas are closely interrelated. They are agriculture and food processing, infrastructure, education and healthcare, information and communication technology, self-reliance in critical technology and strategic industry. He also believes for transforming India into a developed country, these 5 areas are very important and they are correlated. Let's discuss about agriculture sector. Agriculture sector is important sector in Indian economy. It contributes about 18% of its GDP and provides 50% of employment opportunities. Indian agriculture sector is the backbone of India. We need to focus on doubling the agriculture production and export. India is the largest producer in banana, ginger, jute, lemon, mango, pulses, and second largest producer in cabbage, cauliflower, cotton, eggplant, onion, peanut, potato, pumpkin, rice, silk, sugarcane, tea, tomato, etc. Increase in population leads to demand for more food grains. And Indian agriculture is dependent on monsoon. Hence, we need to adopt modern technology for the production, such as drip irrigation, cold storage, hybrid crops. And we need to develop technology which can help us in this sector. India's long-term vision should be to increase agriculture and increase export, by which there will be decrease in poverty and increase in economic growth, by which India can become a developed country. Dr. Abdul Kalam advocated this action plan to develop India into a knowledgeable and economic superpower by 2020. But we could not achieve this target. Why? Why there is a low productivity in Indian agriculture? Why the contribution of agriculture has reduced significantly in total GDP over the years? Why? Comment your opinions below to know what step can be taken to make India a developed country. Your single effort can make India a developed